what is up, vlog? And today,
what are you doing with my phone?
We are teaching Drew how to make slime. Well, first, I'm gonna tell him the ingredients, and he's gonna make it by himself.
All right, give me the ingredients. 1 second, please.
Well, all we're going to be showing you the ingredients. Okay, first, what you need is a bowl and a spoon. Second, you need school glue / Elmer's glue. And then you need some food dye.
I don't know how to make slime, so she...
And then some more you need Tide. So, let's get started.
By the way, I don't know how to make slime, and she's not going to teach me. That's the whole challenge. So I have to make my slime
but
by myself.
I have to pour you the glue, so you don't pour like craziness. So
what? No, I thought I'm doing it because it's my.
You're not. Don't pour all of it.
I know. That's the whole point.
I'll tell you when to stop.
Don't waste
No, you're not supposed to tell me when to stop because.
No, Drew.
Okay, fine. That's the only thing you can help me on then.
Don't waste it.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I said don't waste it. Keep going. Stop.
Okay, look at all this.
That's all the glue we have. Well, not all the glue, but that's what you're blocking the camera.
Yay! You probably
And
can't
now
see it.
you can pick any color. You can mix the colors. Oh shoot! Wait.
Just dump it.
Because what the heck? They're not coming out. Sorry. Okay.
Yay.
So there's green, yellow, blue, and red. Those are the colors.
I want to make some green because that's what I feel like.
Okay.
Actually, blue. Yes, I like blue. It's my favorite color. So do I just dump it all?
Not all of it, like
Wait.
two.
Wait,
two.
why are you helping me? I'm gonna make this perfect slime now. You can't help me, Allie. Allie, you can't help me, so.
I'm not helping you.
Yay!
It looks like blueberry. Blueberry. I said blueberry.
It looks like Smurf guts. I just killed a Smurf. Like the whole village. I killed the whole village.
Okay, so this is what it looks like so far.
Yeah, I killed a whole Smurf village.
It's very
blue.
So now I'm guessing I have to pour some Tide in here.
Oh God, no.
I don't know how to make it, Allie.
I really wish I could tell you.
Stop! To do it really good. Oh my God, this sucks.
Way too much Tide.
Oh.
You have to keep mixing it. You have to mix it like super well.
This sucks. It looks like a blue brain. Oh my gosh. Wait, show them. Looks like a blue brain. Oh no. This is the worst slime ever.
Tucker, come here.
Wow.
Drop it.
You just need to keep mixing it like really good. Like
Stop telling me.
Come here. Drop it.
This is the worst slime.
It's actually
Drop it. Stop.
Here, move this
Get
out
the
of the way.
sides.
Tucker. Come here.
The sides.
The sides. It's all.
No.
No, it's not that sticky.
No.
Oh yeah, it is sticky. Let me feel it.
Oh god, it's sticky. Yay! Thumbnail.
Tucker. That's not yours.
Oh.
Shoot, dude, you're gonna get all messy. You don't know how to handle slime.
Come here.
Is it good yet?
You need to keep mixing. It's sticky.
Drop. Drop.
Yay! Did I do it?
Yeah, it's still sticky. You need to keep mixing.
Drew, your door's open.
Okay. Cool.
Ah! Keep mixing really hard.
It's hard to mix when it's not mixing.
Here, get the sides.
What do you mean the side?
There's slime on the sides.
Okay.
Yeah, but you need to put that. You really don't know how to make slime.
I don't. This is my first time making slime.
That's a perfect amount of slime. Let's put it on the table now.
Oh god. Wait, why would you put it on the table, Allie? It's gonna
Because it's
stick.
fine.
Oh, it is?
It's just,
Here, it's my slime. I get to handle
yeah,
it.
you're gonna get it all over.
Yeah.
your slime.
Oh god.
Here, put it. Oh, here, I'm gonna put thyme on your. Here.
Tied on my hands.
Please
Just.
don't make a mess.
I'm trying not to. Whoa, whoa.
Okay, I'm gonna put a little thyme, and you're gonna.
It's so satisfying and gross at the same time. I killed him. It's like Stranger Things goop looking goop.
No, do not. Okay, now just mix that up with your hands.
Oh, the spoon! Take this.
Don't worry, I've done it before.
Woo!
Jeez.
I need to wash my hands good after this.
Here, let me have the slime.
No, it's my slime. I get to do it.
Dude, what is your problem? That's why I said.
Hey, you can't help me. It's my slime. Oh god. Jeez.
You really don't know how to play a slime. The
Yeah.
vlog is probably like, oh my god.
Oh my god, look at my hand. I feel.
Shoot.
I just came out of the upside down. Stranger Things.
It's
Stranger Things. It's all the goop. The goop. Goop is whatever. Oh, it sounds
Here,
so
wait.
gross. Here, give me. It's my slime.
let me just
Stranger Things.
here, I'm just gonna pour a little tide in your hands, Drew. And
Pour it.
slime. Here, I'm gonna pour.
This was a bad idea.
Okay,
Yay.
now mix.
So should I just like wash my hands?
No, like mix it. Like actually mix.
Thank you for teaching me, Allie, the ways of slime. Here, let me get that.
Yeah, like
Mom, come look at this.
no.
I made slime. Sort of.
Don't worry, I'll get it off of him.
Oh shoot! It's like getting on my sweatshirt.
You used to call me on my sweatshirt.
What, bro? What you talking about me? Oh,
Okay, now I'm going to
look at my hands. I'm like a frog right now.
put your hands out.
How do you get it off my hands?
Put tide.
Oh, we
That's-
need.
You have to put a bunch of tide.
Then put all the tide on it.
No, that would make it the baddest slime ever.
Exactly. It's the whole point of this challenge. To make the worst slime ever.
Really don't know how to mix.
Should we make a time lapse
Probably.
of us trying to get this off? Well, you need to wash your.
Okay, I'm gonna do a time lapse.
Bulletproof on another level ahead of the crew. Select never settles, it only gets better the more you see. Powerful and free, confidence is key. So watch me figure it out. It's all
Okay, it's recording, Allie. Allie's gonna go wash your hands, and I'm gonna show you the slime.
No, you're not gonna show. I am going to show the slime after I wash my hands.
Why do you have to? It's my YouTube
Because
channel.
you are gonna get it all on your hands again. I'm just gonna wash my hands after I show it. Okay.
Yeah, it sucked.
Okay, Drew Crew.
I just realized something.
This is the slime.
I freaking suck at making slime. Well, it's actually somewhat good.
It is good. It's just
Sucks.
just
It's a pain to
Drew,
get
just
it off
do
your
some
hands.
ASMR.
Do some ASMR.
Do some ASMR. Drew, show the slime.
ASMR means lip smacking, Allie.
Not what. Gross? How is that gross? So this is. Drew made it blue because that's his favorite color.
Whose fries are these? And why aren't they eaten?
That's Drew.
I'll eat my fries.
But it's pretty good for slime that Drew made.
Mom, you're dropping my
It's
fries.
pretty good for his first slime, actually. But you should see his hands. They were like way messed up. Like
They did
messed
see
up.
him.
Messed up. Oh yeah, yeah, they did see them. Okay, so that is it for this slime video.
Hey, let me do my outro.
Okay. Why is that funny? You're just staring at the camera.
That'll do it for this video, Drew Crew. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.